Open VDLM software. Click Recipe Create. Open red light, which is for adjusting focus length. Open red light, which is for adjusting focus length. Illuminate the red light point on the marking workpiece. Green circle. Bright spot. Adjust pillar. Let the bright spot coincide with the center of green circles. When it is on focus, we can close the red pointer. Put well parts on conveyor belt and switch into ezcad software. Click red light, showing marking position. Click Next. Click the light. Adjust image brightness. Set Identification Area. Click Identify. It will auto-identify working parts outline. Set Offset. It depends one workpiece size. In general, set into 50 millimeters. Set Pattern Name and click Mark. It will auto-mark.